Welcome back to my channel. Here's the new Roz Dhan app for users to get cash. Every time you tap on refresh, the article refreshes over here, and you can use all these apps, entertainment, and all the articles you can read. Earn money section. So here comes the earn money section. So you can daily check in to get 20 coins and invite friends. So if you invite your friend, you get 1500 coins, and this is going to be only when they add invite code while signing up. And you can also check your friends list over here. Let's move on to the section, and here edit your profile. Next, share articles, and if you share this article, you will win the points. Choose any but don't send to them, just hit cancel, and here you can see we'll get 100 points. And read and watch facts. So if you read this, you get 100 points. And share rank list. You can also share the rank list to get the points. And let's move on to the games. So here you can play unlimited of games. And let's move on to the me section. So here you can find my refill code 01BQA4, and my balance is updated as ₹50. And here you can see the withdraw section. Coins will be converted to rupees at 12 midnight. If coins are not delivered in time, don't worry, you can contact on WhatsApp. So here you can see coins is 60 now, because I have shared one article and shared one rank list. So let's check on the rupees. Now withdraw section over here. You can withdraw to Paytm. So once you bind your Paytm account, you can withdraw ₹200 at a time. The maximum daily withdrawal limit is 5. So you can withdraw 2 into 5, that is 1000 rupees in a day. If you bind your PAN card, TDS is 10%, otherwise it's 20%. So if with the PAN card you can apply for tax refund from the government. Please make sure the information is true and consistent. Let's tap on withdraw. So here it says 200 rupees is the minimum cash out. You can also check your transaction details over here. Let's move on to the today's income. So we got 60 coins, and this will be converted to rupees tomorrow. And invite friend section, as you know, the code is over here. And income history, you can check income history anytime. And rank list, you can check your rank over here. You can check their facts, feedback, language settings, check update, and more. So tomorrow plus 25 again. So this is all about the app. And there is an update, guys. You can also earn by reading news articles. So all you need is just check for the article, so which says continue to earn. So once you read it, you get 5 coins. So like this, if you find this, you can just swipe up to earn. So let's check out which one have the coin to earn. You get coin, or else no coins, guys. It's all about the app, guys. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching my video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, tap on the bell icon, please.